Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength today. I need you to dig deep. Dig deep. That's where the gold is. You've been working too hard, so hard to stop now. And you understand when you have the push through, that's when you have the breakthrough. That's what I'm challenging you to do today. Be your strongest self. Because when you're in your weakest, when you're not in control, that's when you're full control. And that's where you're your strongest. You never can define a person by the tough times they're going through, but how they react to them. Nothing moved me from my path of light because I had complete confidence in myself. I realized my innate qualities and my abilities and gifts. And I know that with God, I can do anything. God is with you guys. All the power I need is within me. It's time to dig deep, and be the best you, and go get your blessing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.